To be honest, when Lukas talked about this project for the first time, my first reaction was, is this actually doable?
Vestas has always been like this really cool example of creating the future. I had a feeling that we could be mutually beneficial for each other.
Too many people are still saying, but it can't be done. Hey, you're going to show this summer. It can be done. I can gather a lot of people and I can make it work on green electricity and storage electricity.
The partnership we have with Lukas Graham is super important because we need somebody to embrace this new technology, somebody to pioneer the way. It has taken us one step further to a decarbonized society.
The beautiful thing that I would like to see in a year's time is that it's not my personal concerts, but that I show up at festivals that have these batteries.
Enough talking and maybe now more doing. Seeing is believing, which is probably one of my favorite expressions in this. Otherwise, we won't get it done.
Mine damer og herrer, jeg synes, vi skal give en lille hånd til de fantastiske ingeniører fra Vestas.